So, weird angle, weird video, weird day. We're cleaning. I've already got a lot of this out of here, but kind of want to show you what I haven't done yet. I want to take all of that down. That's my entire filming corner. I got a new chair. New chair who dis. So everything's out there that's been in here that was underneath my table here. I have to finish getting everything out. This is all resin stuff that I just left there for now. But there's so much. I really want to rearrange in here, but I'm just kind of lacking on space. So I don't know what to do. I thought I wanted to take and push my table here, but at the same time, I don't really want to do that. I still like that being my filming corner because I film in front of this for crafts. I film in front of that for like other stuff when I do film. I know, my intro and outro is over there. I really want to repaint in here because I'm just not feeling the colors anymore. But I just don't even know what to do. Like, I'm just kind of at a loss for like inspiration. It's like I have so much stuff, but I also like don't. It's so weird. I also got some curtains for in here that I'm gonna put up, but I don't have a rod yet. So I have to, as of right now, if I put them up, I'm gonna be nailing them to the wall, like directly to the wall. But I have to have them covering completely because I can't have the light when filming because it's kind of a harsh light, if you can see the difference when I have my filming light in here. This light's just not very good, and I think there's only one of them working right now anyway. I don't know why I looked at that, but I don't know what to do. I want to get it done, but I don't think I'm going to get it done today, and I made a mess. For some reason, they don't think they can come in. There you go. Oh, look, he figured it out. Hello, Theodore. That made it look so much bigger in here. So I took and twisted that table and pushed it up, almost up to the wall over there. I can't push it all the way up because I have my AC dehumidifier in here and I had to have room for it to do its thing. And then I can still get to my shelves here. I'm going to probably put all my material on this side so the dogs don't just come in and pull material out and take off with it. Also, Luna left the curtain open. So I think I like that, but I can still work over there if I want to. I can film over there, I can film here, I can film there. I can still move this table and pull it around. My goal is not to sit anything else underneath this anymore, so I can just take and push and pull it around where I want it. I had baskets of material underneath there, but I'm going to go down and try to condense them even more, and if it's something that I just can't get rid of for whatever stupid reason, I'm going to vacuum seal it and almost fell. Vacuum seal it and put it away. And at least I'll know what's in there because I can be able to see it. I still want to straighten up this shelf since I'm no longer doing my shop. I haven't quite said that yet on a video, but I'm no longer doing my shop, at least not for a while. I might reopen it later this year, but as of right now, I am not. I'm going to take and consolidate all of my shop stuff and kind of box it away for now. This is sewing material stuff, so that's probably going to stay. That's more project stuff there that I just didn't know what to do with. Those are shirts for my shop. But now at least I can make a bunch of shirts and figure out like ideas maybe for later on for my shop, and there'll be future videos. Hopefully. That's my goal, is to do a bunch of videos. Anyway, here's what I've got so far. What do you think so far? Oh, you love it? Oh, good. I'm so glad we're on the same page. Check out the curtains situation I had there, and to put up these curtains that I got from Dirt Cheap, but they're actually from Lush, and they were originally $170, or that is the amount they were supposed to be for, because they are blackouts, privacy, energy efficient, blah blah blah, noise reduction. When I bought them, I was like, oh, I'll put them in my room, but also I was like, oh, I'll put them in my craft room, not thinking that my walls are gray. It's a lot of gray on gray, and I'm not sure that I like it. And also, no, I do not have a curtain rod. Like I said before, I just nailed them up there for now, and I don't care that I got that they're Lush curtains I nailed up there. I don't care. I got them for cheap, at dirt cheap. So they're nice curtains, but it's not hurting them at all. And I'm just not gonna go get a curtain rod right now. I'll probably get one later. This is mostly just so I can see what's going on, and I like the idea of it being able to go around the edge of the window so it blocks out all light, because that one still lets in light, as you can see. This does not. They're very, very nice curtains. I just don't like that it's gray. I'm kind of mad that it's gray, but it's whatever. I got it. This is super cheap. Originally 170. Well, that's what it's marked at. Who knows how much the person actually got them for, because it said it was a return. Whatever. They probably didn't like the color, and they probably just returned it because it was still in the bag, not even been opened. I got them for 18 bucks. Is it more than I would have normally paid for a curtain? Yes, but because where they're from, I paid for it. It's fine. I paid $3 for the other curtain I got from my daughter. Now it's day 2, and by we, I mean me, the only thing we did was my husband put these in here. There's one down there. These are like drawer bins things we found at dirt cheap, but they didn't have the bins there. But these are originally from Target, so I'm kind of hoping I can get some bins from Target. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do with those. They were 15. I'm going to take things off of this and get rid of this. Probably say goodbye to my lamp. That's my dog drinking. Because in all honesty, I don't really use that lamp. If anything, I might be able to take and put it there so I can shoot it at that table when I want to work. If I work over there, because I'll probably have my filming lights one over here when I'm working. But that's what I got so far. I went out last night to see if I could find some bins at Walmart. They said they had some baskets, but I couldn't find any at mine. Well, the one that's closest to me. I might go out today and look. We'll see. Made a huge mess, but this is what we're doing today. The only one that'll fit is this one, and it doesn't have a f***ing lip, and I don't want to pay $12 for it. And then these are just a smidgen too big. And all those don't fit. Or these. Okay, so I tried to go in Walmart and look. Well, I just showed you some clips, probably. Nothing. So I'm gonna go back to Dirt Cheap and see what I can find, see if I can find anything. If not, I don't even know. So all excited, and it won't even fit. I cannot believe that. I can't. Actually, I can, because I'm just stupid. Now what? What am I going to do? What am I going to do with this? Should I just go back and get the stupid trash can? Because that's what's fixing to happen. Okay, so I did get them like that, but you go to open them, warning, this is a horrible noise. So mute it if you don't like metal on metal. I definitely don't, but I gotta show you. Yeah. So that will come. This is not. These are supposed to be like, that's what I measured in these little thingy-mabobbers. They're not even in there, like underneath them. It's not even sitting right. This one's tight as fuck. So I have to be careful. I got that from the Dollar Tree. These were sturdier. They're super flimsy. They would work here, but they're not. Sturdier, I mean. They are flimsy. if I had the bats, would it be too much? Just on that curtain. Bats. They're all those bats. I don't know. I'm tempted. We'll have to clean all that off. This is coming together. It doesn't look great, but it's a lot better than it was. Can you tell I like pink and teal? Even like all my baskets are pink and teal. Pink, teal. I have gray in there too. I like gray. I just don't like that gray. Like, I don't know, it's a weird color. But it's coming together. It's a lot better for now, I guess. Well, this is as done as it's going to get. It is not that great looking. I still need to kind of straighten up over here. This is as straight as it's going to get. All that's going to straight is going to get. This stuff is going to be here permanently. So, yeah, it's kind of dark over here. I haven't turned on my studio lights, obviously, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what I got to and what happened, what I have done and what has happened with my room. So all this over here is just like random crafts, but mostly paints and stuff. And then I don't know what to do with this. This is my press machine, for like my heat press. That's the word I'm looking for. Monitor I gotta fix so I can use it for my filming. So this is just my table, and it's got all the shelves. So over there is all sewing. One sewing basket here, and then just, again, random stuff. There is some sewing stuff up there, but I'm going to be able to move this can out so I can sit my chair underneath there, and I'll probably put my feet on that. That's all clay in there that I either need to get rid of or do something with. Probably get rid of it because it's been in there forever. And if you look at it this way, it's on my shelves again. My mess. Ignore. This is just stuff I still have to figure out what to do with, but this is my stopping point because I'm not really using this right now. And yeah, so if I move these, I gotta move these too. You can kind of see what I've got going on. So I took out all my shipping stuff. That's just paper and pens and stuff, and then this is all my drawing stuff. And then back there is, what is back there? Oh, that's my screen press thing that I have just never used and I have not figured out how to do. Hopefully one day I'll figure it out. Then I've got these cups my husband got for me. This is actually a Christmas decor. I have nowhere to put, so I just stuck it there. And then my dogs chewed up my light board, just the box, not the actual board. And then those are all like project pieces of woods that I need to do something with. That's also Christmas decor. This is all glitter. All of it, glitter, 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 glitter. This is just random little knickknacks and doodads and things and sunglasses and stuff. Stuff that didn't really have a home, but it needed a home, so it went in there. Those are all my flowers I just keep collecting. And leaves and stuff to stick in there. So when I make wreaths and stuff, I have got a whole collection of them I can kind of go through and pick out and choose. Both my sewing machines are up there. So I've got all my yarn, my t-shirts for making stuff. This is all glue in this basket here. This is all ribbon and lace and stuff. This is beads, random crafts, sewing patterns, and then little knick-knack things I just didn't have a place to put, and then more random crafting stuff. And these are all filled with random crafting things, so, you know, whatever. I put a blanket on my chair because my dog keeps wanting to get up there. I need to take this out and wash it. But that's my new chair I got from Dirt Cheap. It's actually white, if you can see down there. It's huge, much bigger than my other chair. I just got these from Dirt Cheap, that door and that window from Dirt Cheap, and I got them for like $1, I think. They're originally from Target. I just liked them. I don't really know why I liked them, but I did. I have to kind of fix and figure that out, the decorations stuff there, but then I hung up all the snowflakes and stuff and my little ghosts here and some light. So the reason for that is if we just spin around, I'll film from here and looking real good right now because it's just one of those days. This is like day 5 of doing my room, working my room, and then this will be my background. So I've got all my junk back there. This here is molds and scrap vinyl, and then these are molds on top, and then those are my pouring cups. I just stuck them upside down there so they don't get dust and stuff in them. This is obviously toilet paper and paper towels, just in case you needed to know. This all stuff up here is also stuff I just still need to kind of figure out what to do with, but I use this stuff for my resin, and that's for my nails and my UV resin. And then I need to find a home for this guy. This is to lay my heat gun, when I use my heat gun, it's a heat pad. And then this stuff, again, just needs to find homes, and I gotta fix that. So it's not like, again, I've talked about this. It's not perfect. Did I want it to be perfect? Yes. Is it? No. Is it enough for right now? Most definitely. I'm just gonna talk to you like this because that's not so bad right there. I look like absolute crap. But I do hope you guys enjoyed watching my transformation on my room. I know it's not a huge transformation, but I do hope that you guys have a wonderful day. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope you have a great new year. Bye!